Hello. So, today we will discuss about descent. So, what is descent? Descent is a cultural rule for tracing ancestry, right. Now, many of the students they get confused between what is double descent and what is bilateral descent. So, for that matter I am making this video and I hope you will get a clarity on this issue, right. So, let us look at all these three types of descent: unilineal, double descent and bilateral descent. Unilineal descent is a type of descent rule in which the ancestry is traced or descent is traced either through the male line or either through the फीमेल लाइन, या तो मेल लाइन से या फीमेल लाइन से ट्रेस किया जाता है. एग्जाम्पल अगर आप इसके समझना चाहो, सो मेल लाइन के यू कैन से द कास्ट सोसाइटी, और यू कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ many tribes like Nagas, Gonds. So, these tribes have unilineal type of descent. Then the second type is double descent or bilineal. Here that matriline, this is patrilineal, this is matrilineal, right. From the mother side it is matrilineal, from the father side it is patrilineal. So, in this double descent, patrilineal as well as matrilineal, they operate concurrently, simultaneously, but for different matter, right. For example, for patrilineal, we can take an example of Yako. For Yako, the patrilineal descent is followed in terms of transmission of immovable property, or the political office. For the transmission of or inheritance of political office and immovable property such as land, the patrilineal descent is followed. But for movable property, and for the office of priest, right, they follow that matrilineal descent. Okay. Now, you know that this is operative at the same time, concurrently, simultaneously. Now, what is the difference between this and this? In bilateral also, this ego, this individual recognize all, whether it is matrilineal or patrilineal, all are the relatives, but it gets confusing. You don't get a clarity कि यहाँ पे भी आप relate कर रहे हो, यहाँ पे भी relate कर रहे हो, तो फर्क कहाँ पे हुआ? What is the distinction between the two? So, for that, G.P. Murdoch, a famous American anthropologist, he wrote an article named Double Descent. An American anthropologist is a anthropological journal, and this article he wrote in 1940, 1940 में लिखा, और इस आर्टिकल में he distinguished between what we call double descent and what we call bilateral descent. So, what he says that in double descent, this ego traces the relationship with Dadaji and Nani ji, but not with Dadi and Nana, right. So, these two are not considered, but in case of bilateral descent, G.P. Murdoch argue that this ego traces relationship with all these four: paternal grandfather, as well as paternal grandmother, maternal grandfather as well as maternal grandmother.